fixed before I move in.
Mga na laro mo na.
Beda aja. Safe. I'm so tired. I think I'm ready to go home. It's not even funny. But yeah, I have one last exam and then a nigga is done. So yeah, after this I'm getting lunch and then I'm going to my dad's office. Cause I'm done with everything I need to do on campus. And yeah, I'm just tired. Guys, these things go everywhere with me, like it's not even funny. Love them so much. And guys, they were 50 rand on Chommie. Never looking back, honey. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I can't believe this is happening. Anyway, so yeah guys, I think you see by the title, this is an empty move in with me haul. I'm just here to check because they had to do inspection to check that everything is up to my standard, jokes, just to check that nothing is broken and all of that. So yeah guys, I guess you guys know what comes next, but for now I'm just gonna give you the empty room tour, and then I don't know when I'm gonna be moving in, but I'll let you guys know. So see you guys soon. So guys, I got the finished unit, but there are like a few things that are like that still need to be fixed. I don't even know what that is, but anyway, so yeah, I'm just here to look at what needs to be fixed before I move in, and then I will let you guys know when everything is ready. Oh, I'm so glad it comes with a bin. Yo guys, these are like small little things that you need to remember to buy. And I've got a chair there. I guess this is where I'm gonna be eating. And I'm gonna move it, I guess, when I go study. I don't know, but I'll ask for another chair. And yeah. So yeah guys, that's the empty room tour. Like I can't really do much at the moment until they come and fix the things that need to be fixed. But I feel like I'm dreaming. Like wow, my bursary actually did that for me. guys, I really love how minimalistic this place is, and I'm gonna try and keep it clutter free as much as I possibly can. And I just love the fact that there's a lot of appliances. That's why I wanted a furnished unit, because I don't want to buy furniture and then not use it after. So, because what if the furniture I buy doesn't suit the aesthetic of the place I'm going to? Anyway, I'm overcomplicating it, but yeah. So I'm so excited. I don't know if I should scream. No, I can't. But, and guys, if you know where this place is, please keep it to yourself. Like, I don't want anybody knowing what's in Shalapi. But if you know, you know. Yeah. Oh, you know what it is. Jokes. Morning, guys. So today is movie off day. Guys, now can I tell you? I wanted to use the mic, but then I realized it's last time I filmed sound to Lulu. You know? So now I don't want to take a risk. And anyway, I'm waiting for my mom to get back from, I think she went to go change her tires. Yeah, she went to go change her tires. So I need to get ready in the meantime. Am I mentally prepared for this? So yeah, kind of. Physically, no. No. And don't even ask what's happening here, guys, now. Yeah. Guys, it's been so crazy. So I've been buying things bit by bit, and I've been making a list of things that I'm gonna need. And oh, the one thing I didn't show you guys is that I got 2 10-liter bottles of water. Because one thing about Hatfield, ayayamalala amanzi. But anyway, if you're still watching and you're still here, like, why haven't you subscribed yet? Like, please subscribe. So I'll catch you guys next now. Okay, first things first, I need to order my toiletries, and I'm gonna do that now in bed. And then I'm gonna add in a few things as well that I need. And then I need to start packing my clothes. And I'll do that just now. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go pack my clothes, and then because I'm thinking I could just move all in one day instead of 2 days, because I pretty much have everything. The only shop that I need to go to is Discam, Outlex, preferably Clicks, and then PayPal. Those 2. And yeah, today's Wednesday now. I'm going back to school Monday, but the problem is Saturday, Sunday I'm in Limpopo, and then Monday, boom, back to school. So there's just a lot that needs to be done today. And then Thursday, Friday, what else do I have? Oh, I've got back-to-back meetings, and I've also need to catch up some schoolwork. So I've decided that I'm going to use Thursday and Friday to catch up whatever's left over, and then use today, Wednesday, to move, especially because my mom has a day off. So I might as well just put everything in her car, as opposed to me Ubering. Yo, guys, Uber. Imagine Uber, umthwalo, 9th floor. Yo, disaster. So I'm glad my mom is here today, and then yeah. So breakfast because my mom's coming back and then I'm gonna try and fit everything in her car. So wish me luck. So now I must wait for them to finish vacuuming and cleaning, and I also need to go get a few things. Orange, there's a lot going on. I even got my Wi-Fi thing now. Like, bro. Guys, this lift looks so dodgy. But anyway, we are done offloading things. So now we're just gonna try and pack what we can, and then from there, I think the only thing we have to do is deep clean my carpet, so we can do that over the weekend because I won't be home. But yeah, so yeah, I think by the lift, guys, you guys can tell where I stay. Yeah, everything kind of gives it away. But yeah, if you know, please don't comment, because safety, no. But anyway, I'll see you guys just now. Guys, the more and more I start packing out my things, the more problems I realize. But it's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna try and get it fixed now, and yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is another day in the vlog. I didn't close off the vlog yesterday. I was, guys, mixed emotions, hey. So yesterday, guys didn't wash my windows, didn't wash my carpets, they didn't fix the blind, so I could not sleep at rest yesterday, because how am I gonna sleep with an open blind? And there was just so much dust on the carpet because they were drilling to fix the tiles. But anyway, so today I need to go. Yeah, today they're doing all of that at Dre's, and then I still need to go buy a few things before I leave. And then yeah, I just thought I was gonna take you guys with me. It's very late. I think it's like 1 o'clock. I plan to go at 11, but yeah, homegirl has been sick. So anyway, see you guys just now.
So much meat. Chicken. As I want to get a vodka free to my sister. I couldn't transfer it.